Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to achieve financial freedom, personal development, and passive income. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $20,000 a month online without working hard. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need to spend hours and hours on your laptop or phone, or invest a lot of money up front. You just need to follow these simple steps that I'm going to share with you right now. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. A niche is a specific topic or category that you are passionate about and that has a high demand in the market. For example, some popular niches are health and fitness, beauty and fashion, gaming and entertainment, travel and lifestyle, etc. You want to find a niche that you enjoy and that has a lot of potential customers who are willing to pay for your products or services. To do this, you can use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, or Keyword Planner to see what people are searching for online and what kind of content they are watching. Step 2. Create valuable content. Once you have found your niche, you need to create content that provides value to your audience. Content is anything that you create and share online, such as videos, blogs, podcasts, ebooks, courses, etc. The key to creating valuable content is to solve a problem or fulfill a desire that your audience has. For example, if your niche is health and fitness, you can create content that teaches people how to lose weight, gain muscle, eat healthy, etc. You also want to make sure that your content is engaging, entertaining, and informative. You want to capture your audience's attention and keep them hooked until the end. You can do this by using storytelling techniques, humor, emotion, facts, statistics, examples, etc. Step 3. Build an audience. The next step is to build an audience that trusts you and likes your content. This is where YouTube comes in handy. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world and the most popular platform for video content. It has over 2 billion monthly active users who watch over 1 billion hours of video every day. To build an audience on YouTube, you need to upload your videos regularly and consistently. You also need to optimize your videos for SEO, search engine optimization, by using keywords in your title, description, tags, thumbnails, etc. You also need to interact with your viewers by replying to their comments, asking for feedback, encouraging them to like and share your videos, etc. Step 4. Monetize your content. The final step is to monetize your content and make money from it. There are many ways to do this online, but I'm going to share with you the most effective ones that I use myself. The first way is to join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. This is where YouTube pays you a percentage of the revenue they generate from showing ads on your videos. To be eligible for YPP, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for YPP and start earning money from ads. The second way is to sell your own products or services. This is where you create something that your audience wants or needs and sell it directly to them through your website or social media platforms. For example, you can sell ebooks, courses, coaching, merchandise, etc. The third way is to do affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale that you generate through your unique link. For example, you can join Amazon Associates and earn up to 10% commission for every product that someone buys through your link. These are just some of the ways that you can make money online without working hard. Of course, there are many more ways that I haven't mentioned here, but these are the ones that I personally use and recommend. If you follow these steps and take action, you can easily make $20,000 a month online or even more. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a proven and realistic way to achieve financial freedom and live your dream life. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.